In the Benin Kingdom, beads are very, very important in the tradition of the Great Benin Kingdom. There is an adage which says, "Ayi viewe usual," which means beads can never be used for anything that is not important, that is not valuable, that can be messed up. You don't use the bead, you don't wear the beads, and you start misbehaving. Beads are precious, and we love and respect the beads in the Great Benin Kingdom. If you are putting on the beads in the Great Benin Kingdom, you are highly respected, and you who are wearing the beads will always and also respect yourself because it has a high honor. It is honored. We honor beads in the tradition of the Great Benin Kingdom. Beads are valuables. They are precious to the Beninese. It's one of the things that we put on, we use during our celebrations, ceremonies, like the traditional wedding, like festivals, and some of the traditional occasions that we celebrate in the Great Benin Kingdom. The beads are highly valuable, respected, honored, and it plays a significant role in our tradition and culture. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am your sister, Edoni Musi to the World TV. Thank you.